do some tape lines and you realize, oh crap, this thing's all chewed up. Well, this little old lady taught me this trick. I couldn't believe it, but it works really good. You just get that little groove right here, and you just rub it back and forth. Alright, flip it over, do the same thing. And if anybody's ever used these things, you're using up both sides so they're all scarred up. Doesn't take long. And I just recently did all my edges not too long ago, so I actually got my duck knife today and was chopping at it. So these are some pretty deep grooves on here, just for the sake of making this video. And you can see it's nice and smooth and straight. But like I said, I used my duck knife and I was jagging into it pretty good, so there's some deep grooves, but you can see pretty smooth. Not like that, but close. And if I stayed doing it long enough, it would be like that. I couldn't believe it. And the lady that taught me that, I don't know, I guess she was probably 70 years old. But she worked with advertisement and stuff like that most of her life, so she was familiar with the squeegee. Just never think you're too good to be taught anything, because it's not true.